And the race on. Goldmine rushing up. Sugar Glaze, So It's You on the further outside. Rushing up is the favorite. Gross Income to take the lead. Gross Income, Goldmine by the road. So It's You on the outside. And running for Sugar Glaze moving up is Wondrous Win. Running on the outside, Unpredictable as he could in between runners by Durrell Dick Akaline. Wheel of Destiny. Tabel fourth last. Down on the inside. Third last is Grand Homer. Bo Erin second last. And Euromax running in 13th. Gross Income by Anek. Goldmine down on the inside. Firing up for the lead. So It's You is racing in third by about 2 lengths as they race the last 500. Gross Income by Anek. And running by Durrell's Goldmine. So It's You joining them as they race the final corner. Goldmine down on the inside. Gross Income. And on the further outside. So It's You. And down the stretch they come. Goldmine down on the inside. And on the outside. Gross Income. Moving up now is entry number 1. Wheel of Destiny in between runners. So It's You on the outside. Goldmine, Wheel of Destiny. Goldmine, Wheel of Destiny. And finally it's going to be Goldmine, Wheel of Destiny. So It's You. Gross Income, Grand Homer, and Close, Sugar Glaze, Bo Erin.
Oh, sabi sa inyo,